Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple smoky eye look. First, I'm going to do my base using the Revlon Color Stay Foundation and MAC Concealer. Next, I'm going to do my eyes using the Makeup Revolution Soph X eyeshadow palette. First step, I'm using the neutral brown shade named Mug Cake using a blending brush all over my lids. This creates a base for the smoky look and defines the crease. Next, on top, I'm using a dark brown shade, Rosewood, on the lids. I'm using a flat brush. I'm applying this on the lids and not on the crease. This shade intensifies the smoky look. I'm taking a kohl pencil from Lakme and applying it on the lash line. It doesn't need to be a perfect line, it can be messy. I'm gonna blend it using a pencil brush. The brush needs to be dense to smudge the kohl pencil, gently going back and forth until the straight line fades away. On top of the line, I'm placing a black shadow from the same palette, Nightmare, and gently patting into the lash line that I created using a kohl pencil. My under eyes are a little messy, so I'm going to use the foundation brush with no extra product for a smoother look. Next, some blush and bronzer to add some color to the face. For the lower lash line, I'm using the same brown shade, Rosewood, using the blending brush and adding some black shadow on the outer corner of the lash line for some definition. I am setting the face with some translucent powder. I am finishing off the look with some mascara and lipstick. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you for watching.